September 2022. The total power requirement Tamil Nadu also, there is no shortage of coal on behalf of Coal India Limited. And estimated Tamil Nadu coal demand for power sector in the country based on assumption in integrated coal logistic plan for financial year 30 years. Also, we are planning under construction of power plants also. Sir, Mutiara power project capacity 5.4 million tons, and Tamil Nadu Power Company Limited, we are supplying 4.14 million tons. NLC Tamil Nadu Power Limited 4.66 million tons. Valluru 7.24 million tons, and Tuticorin 5.80 million tons. Subtotal 43.43 million tons realistic coal demand for 2030 we are also planning. And जितना भी पावर तमिलनाडु को चाहिए भारत सरकार देने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि तमिलनाडु में कुछ प्लांट्स वो इंपोर्टेड करते हैं, क्योंकि जो उसका प्लांट है इंपोर्टेड कोल से ही चलता है, उसका बॉयलर हो, इसीलिए हम पूरे जितने भी इंपोर्टेड कोल तैयार कर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं उसका भी हम भारत सरकार के द्वारा बार बार गाइडलाइंस देते हैं. जो डोमेस्टिक कोल है उसके आधार पर पावर जनरेशन करने के लिए उसको मॉडिफिकेशन के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट कर रहे हैं. जैसा भी हमारा जो पावर डिमांड है वो पावर मिनिस्ट्री ने हमारे को रिकमेंड करते हैं. पावर मिनिस्ट्री के रिकमेंड के आधार पर हम पूरा कोल सप्लाई लगातार ऑल स्टेट्स को करते हैं. अभी तक तो कोई शॉर्टेज भारत में कोल शॉर्टेज नहीं है.
सेकंड सप्लीमेंट्री श्री आर गिरिराजन.
Thank you, sir. Whether the union government ensured the inter-ministerial coordination between different stakeholders such as the Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Shipping, Coal India Limited and state governments to enhance the supply of coal and to establish dedicated freight corridors as well as proper management and planning and upgradation of technologies in Coal India Limited.
Honorable Minister.
Sir, the extensive exercise was undertaken in financial year 23 and 24 for identification of infrastructure gaps for all the coal blocks currently in operation and also proposed to be operationalized for the production requirement of the country. Consultation was done with the stakeholders like Ministry of Steel, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Niti Aayog, and including state government also. Study has undertaken to assess the state-wise coal demand and supply source along with the destination, coal transport mode, and also freight movement of coal based on the scientific data. Congestion analysis was carried out. Based on this extensive exercise, Mr. Railways and Coal have jointly identified critical infrastructure gap projects. In Tamil Nadu also, we are properly monitoring for supplying the coal. Definitely as per requirement of the Tamil Nadu state, as per allotment of the Power Ministry, we are going to supply all the projects for the Tamil Nadu state. One Orissa, one coal unit also we allotted, but Tamil Nadu government they given return.